Now it's time to see the crosses done by Mendel, to see what Mendel was doing in his garden. His first experiment, the monohybrid cross. So Mendel's experiments, let's see what results Mendel got after his first monohybrid cross. Let's see what Mendel had done in his garden to do the experiment. When Mendel crossed a tall pea plant with a dwarf pea plant, Mendel crossed a tall pea plant with a dwarf pea plant. He thought the results will be either tall or dwarf or a plant with a mixed height. But what he got was something which builded his curiosity. What he got was totally unexpected. He was never expecting such results. Let's see what results he got. When he crossed these two plants, one tall and one dwarf, he got all the plants, the resultant offspring plants were tall. He was shocked. Where did the short plant gone? He saw all the plants were tall. In the F1 generation, the first generation, he thought if all the plants are tall, then where did the dwarf character gone? He was confused, and this confusion led him to do the next experiment. And what was that? He self-crossed the resultant tall pea plants. In the first experiment, he crossed the main parent tall plant with the parent dwarf plant, and then he got all the tall plants, and now he's crossing the resultant tall plants. He took a tall plant from the F1 generation and self-crossed it. And after the self-cross, what he got is this. He got 3 tall and 1 dwarf. Now he is more confused because in the first experiment, he got all tall. But in the next one, he got 3 tall and a dwarf, which means in the first experiment, the results he got, the tall plants, they must be having the gene, the character of this short plant. So the first generation, he got all the tall plants. In the next generation, he got 3 tall and 1 dwarf.